And you know, the best part of having this hair is just being able to do that hair flip. That's one of my favorite parts. Hi everyone! So I consider this my official video back. So today it's going to be all about my hair. I do have some clips which you'll see here in a minute of me applying the products and how I apply them and the products that I use. But before we jump into that part, I wanted to start with this photo. This is 16-year-old me. I had just turned 16 years old. This photo was taken July 12th, 2004. And my birthday is July 5th. So I had just turned 16 years old. I had just gotten my hair done. That's why it looks terrible. You can see in this photo that my hair was just really damaged, really dry. You can see that my hair was wavy, but there was really no definition. I'm pretty sure that with the money that I got from my Sweet 16, I went out and I bought a straightener. And that was when I started straightening my hair, really damaging my hair. I didn't know how to take care of my hair at all. A lot of the gels and mousses that I would try would leave my hair very crunchy feeling. I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about, and I always hated that. So I stopped using all those things because they just never worked. They never seemed to work for my hair. Fast forward all the way to 2018, I believe. I think that's when I chopped my hair off. I cut my hair. My hair was really, really long, and I cut my hair about, like, I would say like right here. I'll put some pictures here so you guys know like what I'm talking about, but I cut my hair very short. I was so insecure about it. I just had no clue what to do with my hair. So it was just really damaged. So I knew from that point on that I wanted to grow my hair out and I wanted my hair to be really long. So I knew that I was not going to cut my hair again, but I had no idea that my hair was like this though. I thought that my hair had changed over time with age. I thought that my hair was just like this frizzy, kind of straight. I thought that my hair was getting straight on its own. It wasn't until the beginning of 2020 when I started everything with my hair. I remember seeing videos on the curly girl method. I began to see more and more videos like this pop up, and it made me curious. Like, I was like, does my hair really like still have that waviness to it? And I was like, there's no way. I think at the time I was just like, no, my hair just changed over time. There's no way it's still like wavy or curly. And you know, I was wrong. My hair was just really damaged and I didn't know how to take care of it. And when I started in February last year, I would say about week 2, I started to see that my hair did have the waves and it did have the shape. For some reason, I never stopped and I just continued, and here we are today, and I'm very, very happy with my hair and the progress that it's made. I mean, it's such a difference from before when it was just like this no shape, flat, kind of, but still frizzy hair. And I love my hair now. I don't part my hair in a certain way. I just kind of like toss it around, you know, whichever way I feel. This is like my favorite side to have my hair on, this side like this. So I really wanted to make this video in case any of you out there are kind of curious and you kind of like, you remember earlier having, you know, like wavy curly hair, but you've been straightening it for so long that you think that your hair has changed and that it's different. And I am here to tell you that I think it's just really damaged. And I think that if you try this out for like 30 days, like just try it out for a month. I don't consider this the curly girl method because I I don't even remember all the details from that. I just know you can't use shampoos and conditioners with like sulfates or parabens, and you have to not put heat in your hair. And I have not put heat to my hair at all. I don't consider this that method. I just want to show you guys what I use, what has worked for me, and to like encourage you guys to maybe try this out for 30 days and see what happens with your hair, because like it's crazy how much healthier and like the waves and some of the curls are back in my hair, and I never thought that I would get to this point. I debated on whether I should show you guys this because I don't like it. So I figured I would just show you, just to let you know that this isn't something that I recommend. This is the shampoo that I bought recently from Suave. I've been using this brand for years, and I've always loved their shampoo and conditioners, have always left my hair feeling very soft. But for some reason this time around, that is not the case. My hair is not responding well to this. My hair feels so dry. It just dries my hair out really, really bad. So I do not recommend this at all. I won't repurchase this. I don't recommend, I don't like it. And the conditioner that I use is this one from Shea Moisture. Now this brand I love. I use a lot of their products. This is probably some of my favorite that I've tried so far. This is the Intensive Hydration Conditioner to hydrate and replenish extra dry and damaged hair. I needed this recently because I feel like that shampoo has really like messed my hair up. I really like this one. This is the one that I'm using, and I do recommend this brand. It's really good. All the stuff that I've tried from them has been really nice. Oh, real quickly before I forget, I did want to talk about this leave-in hair repair treatment from Sol de Janeiro. I freaking love this scent. So when I saw that they were coming out with a hair treatment, I just knew that I had to have it, just because the smell of this smells so good. I am obsessed with the smell. It smells, oh my god, it smells so good. I only have like the smallest amount left, so I hesitate using it because I love it so much. I love the smell of this, but also I do feel like it works really well. You just leave it in your hair for 10 to 15 minutes. You get all of the extra moisture and hydration that you need from this, and it really does help a lot. So I do recommend, not this one if you don't want to get this one if it's too expensive, but Shea Moisture has these little packets with conditioning treatments, or like their hair mask, I believe, but they're for conditioning your hair. And I do recommend doing that. I would say maybe like once to twice a month doing those leave-in treatments, because they really help with your hair and hydrating your hair and keeping it really soft and not like all brittle and dry. So I really like that one. So the first thing that I want to let you know is, please don't use the towel. I only used a towel for the purpose of holding my hair up while I got dressed so that I can sit down and film that part of the video, but I don't use a towel normally. I don't, because it really will cause a lot of frizz in your hair, and it will cause your hair to be a lot more dry, and you don't want that. You want your hair to be kind of as wet as possible when you're putting some of the products in and when you're brushing it out. I know that they have special towels that you can use for your curly hair so that you're not stripping away all of the moisture from your hair. So that's something that you want to look at and just try to avoid a towel on your head. Another tip is I recommend wearing a t-shirt like I am right now to keep your hair and all the products in your hair from touching your back, because I have very sensitive skin, and so all those products can clog up your pores, because it has happened to me. So I always make sure to wear a t-shirt like this that's covering my back whenever I'm working with my hair or my hair is wet, to make sure that it doesn't touch my back. So that's just an extra tip if you are very sensitive and you do tend to break out in certain areas. Just wear a t-shirt like this. So then the first thing that I start with when I start putting the products in my hair is the Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Cream. I never thought that I needed a leave-in conditioner for my hair, but I was very wrong. I think this is one of the most important steps for me personally, because this really adds moisture and hydration back in my hair, and I really need that because my hair is very dry, especially right now because of that shampoo. I really need this. It smells really good too. I love the smell of this. It does say it has no sulfates, silicones, or parabens, or mineral oil. And it says it helps to repair hair breakage, leaves hair soft and manageable. So I really like this one. So this is the first thing that I use when my hair is damp, and that's what you see me applying to my hair. It's this. I do add a crazy amount, but that's just because I feel like my hair needs it. And then I take this little wet brush. It's super cute. It has like little unicorns on it. But I take this and I gently brush through the conditioning leave-in conditioner. I brush it through with this to make sure that it's getting all over my hair and trying to like evenly distribute the product all over so that it gets pretty much everywhere, and also to just make sure that there are no tangles. And I do feel like this helps with the curls, and there are better brushes out there. I just don't have them right now, but you could look into getting a better brush that's specifically made for your curls, and it actually really works. So I do recommend getting a really nice brush. This is another thing, like I thought that brushing my hair was bad, which it is if it's dry like this. Please do not run a brush through your hair. But if your hair is wet and you're distributing the product and you're brushing it that way, then I feel like it's really beneficial for you to have a hairbrush and to use it at that time. So that's something that I did learn going into this, and it has really helped with my hair. So then after I use the leave-in conditioning cream, I like to go in with this Cantu moisturizing curl activator cream. I love this cream. I only have like the smallest amount left. I really like this cream a lot. It says it activates curls, delivers volume and shine, and reveals frizz-free bouncy curls. So this is what I use. Again, it smells really, really good. I feel like it does like bring out the curls in your hair. I love this so much. So I use this as well. So that's what you see me applying to my hair after I do the cream. And then again, I like run my brush through my hair. I forgot to mention like the most important part, and that's scrunching up your hair once you put the products in. And then the next product that you're going to see me use is Miss Jessie's Coily Custard. To top everything off, I use this product right here. It shows a lot of, things that it doesn't have. It doesn't have sulfates, parabens, all that stuff. No animal testing, no animal ingredients. I only use this after I've used those other two products, and then I put this last because this will leave your hair feeling crunchy. Then I leave my hair to air dry. I always air dry my hair. I don't put any heat to my hair, but there is nothing wrong using a blow dryer. If you have to use a blow dryer, you just use it with a diffuser, and that's supposed to be really good for your hair too. It is something that I would like to try in the future when I do get a hair dryer, but I don't have a hair dryer. So I just let my hair air dry. I think it took about 4 to 5 hours for my hair to be fully dry, and then you see the beautiful results of my hair, and it looks really beautiful. And like I said, this does leave your hair feeling crunchy, but what you do is you gently scrunch up your hair like this, and it gets rid of that stiffness in your hair, and it makes it really soft and beautiful like it is right now. But right now my hair does not feel crunchy, or like it doesn't feel gross at all. It just feels really soft and beautiful. And that's another thing that I learned, is that you can use those products that leave your hair feeling all crunchy, but you just gently go in and like get rid of it by gently doing this to your hair. And you want to be really careful. This type of hair is just really sensitive, and it can get frizzy really quickly, so you really want to avoid touching your hair as much as possible and just be really gentle to it. And that is the end result. And the best part of having this hair is just being able to do that hair flip. That's one of my favorite parts. I think we've come to the end of this video. So if you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up because that would really help me out a lot. And subscribe to my channel for more videos coming very soon. And I appreciate you guys so much. And I will see you next time. Bye guys.